Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can embed a PDF on your WordPress website on any page or post. Now, embedding a PDF is different from adding a PDF as a downloadable button, because embedding a PDF means users can directly read that PDF on your WordPress website on any page without actually downloading it. So this is called embedding. Now, in order to embed your PDF in any of the page and post, what you need to do is you need to just simply install a plugin, which is very lightweight and useful plugin. So for that, we'll go to plugins, click on add new plugins, and here we will search for PDF embed. We'll search for PDF embed. And once you search for this plugin, that is PDF embed, you will see multiple plugins. So there are PDF embedder, Dear Flipbook, right? PDF invoices packaging, PDF embed. There are multiple plugins. So I will go with the first one. So click on install now. And once the installation is done, you can simply activate this plugin. This is the step number 1. Now step number 2 is to configure this PDF embed functionality on any post or any page of your WordPress website. So just activate this plugin. Now step number 2 is let's configure this PDF. Let's embed this PDF on any of the post or page. The method is same for both the cases. So let's go to any post, and here let's say I have some dummy post. Now I'll click on edit, and once I click on edit, let's say I want to embed this PDF here. So I'll just click on this plus icon, add block. I will search for PDF. So you can say PDF embed here. Click on this. And now it says upload a file or pick one from your media library. So I will click on media library. I already have a PDF. If you don't have PDF uploaded, just go on upload files, select files, and then upload the PDF from your local computer. So I have uploaded the same file already, but I have also uploaded again. Now click on select. And once you select, the PDF is selected. Now click on save. Once it is saved, now I want to go to post and see the preview. So here you can see that the PDF is embedded. The only content which is mentioned in the PDF is dummy PDF file. This is the PDF. You can see here is the border in which the PDF is there, and there are some controls as well. If you see the bottom, there are controls. Page 1. I can zoom in. As a user, I can zoom out, right? So I can read the entire PDF. I can scroll down, scroll up, scroll left, scroll right. So this is how you can embed any PDF on your WordPress website, whether it is a post or a page on your WordPress website. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice